Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. In a Quaint lab somewhere in Germany, scientists have grown mini human brain in a dish, and that mini human brain developed eyes, real eyes that can sense light. So scientists actually used stem cells to grow the mini human brain. That means that is not full-sized human brain, that is miniature. Okay. Anyway, so they have developed that mini human brain, and from there one thing was developed, that is optic curves, means primitive eye-like structures. And when scientists shone light on them, means when scientists shone light on the mini brain, the optic curves responded. Neurons fired back. That means light was reaching, means light signal actually was reaching from optic curves to the brain. So that was the discovery of the scientists. First, they used stem cell to grow mini human brain, and from there eyes developed. But the purpose of this experiment is not to develop mini brain. That is not the purpose. Purpose is to understand how vision forms, how brains rewires neurons. And if scientists can really understand all these things very well, in that case what will happen? There are so many problems like congenital blindness, then optic nerve damage, then Parkinson's disease are there, Alzheimer's disease are there. Everything is brain related. So if this way scientists could understand how actually different processes occur in human brain, then there are so many problems related to brain, so those problems could be solved. So to solve all these problems related to brain, understanding of the brain should be proper, and for the proper understanding of the brain, this experiment was necessary. So this was the actual purpose of the experiment. The purpose of the experiment was not to develop just a human brain, but yes, many problems, especially related to blindness, those problems will be solved. Okay, after well understanding of this experiment. This is nothing but the early stage experiment. Okay, this is just an experiment, but understanding of the experiment is not still complete. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, but yes, there is a ethical question related to this. If scientists can grow human brain this way, no doubt those are not full-sized brains, but mini brains, still those are brains. If scientists can develop brains this way, question is whether those brains could develop consciousness. That is question. Whether those brains could think, that is one more question. So these are ethical questions. Anyway, in this video we are not discussing actually the ethical questions, we are discussing about the experiment, about the success of the experiment. First scientists used stem cells to produce mini human brain, and that mini human brain developed eye-like structures or optic curves. And those optic curves responded very well when light was shown on the brain. Okay, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video fascinating, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.